Hello, I made this series to get Joe Rogan's attention. Hopefully one day he will see this video. Until then, I will tell you my story and everything I experienced during my spiritual journey from 2015 till now. I did it all, even activated my crown chakra and witnessed the opening of the 1,000-petal lotus flower. I balanced all my chakras and decalcified my pineal and pituitary gland. Plus, I used psychic abilities. I dedicated my life to the spirit world in 2015 and I never gave up. I practiced every day for years until my Kundalini activated in February 2025. In this series, I'm going to tell you everything I did spiritually and physically so you can get a better understanding of me. I ascended to the highest point of enlightenment and reconnected with my twin flame. Since then, I no longer desire to find a sexual relationship of any kind. Now I only focus on generating more energy for the cause, like the awakening of the world, the awakening of us. I got in contact with my spirit guides by completing my spiritual tasks. Since then, the spirits have been communicating with me and helping me. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the things I did and everything I saw. By the end of this video, you will see my view of the spirit world. In 2015, I was still practicing every day, 3 times a day, 20 minutes a day, with meditation and using a side wheel. Around this time, I started to see lights when my eyes were closed and other beings. Sometimes it was hard to sleep. I felt like somebody was watching me. One day I went to lay down to sleep, and that's when my body started to astral project for the first time. At the moment, I didn't know what was going on. During the projection, I didn't know what was going on. I was moving into the darkness. I was a little scared, so I opened my eyes. I had never seen anything like it before. It was like I was moving my spirit body into the darkness, into the wall, because that's what it looked like. It happened about 5 more times before I got curious. I knew that I was meditating and becoming spiritual. I would have never thought something like that was possible. I didn't know when your eyes were closed, you could look into the spirit realm. Then I told myself, I have to see what it is. I was only doing it for knowledge and I wanted to know. I wanted to know what was possible. So I laid down, closed my eyes, and let the process happen. Then I went through the wall of darkness and to the other side. If you have any questions about my journey, leave a comment below. As I penetrated the wall started to crack and reveal green lights. The lights form a gate-like shape. I made it into a clear box looking into this room. This room was filled with energy, but it was like I was looking into a basement. I couldn't move my spirit body. All I can do was see. I looked for 4 seconds before I opened my eyes. I got this thought. It made me not want to stay back there for too long. When I was there, I was able to see darkness on the other side of the wall. It was like I was in the spirit. I didn't see anybody there. It was just me. I took that as a warning, so I left. I didn't want to stay too far from my body, so I opened my eyes. I got this feeling, if I stay back there for too long, I can possibly die. And I was only there for knowledge. I just wanted to tell somebody about it. Then I went back sometime later just to make sure that I can remember the place. But that was like a week later. I was still new to this. After I survived, I realized now I have a new psychic ability. First the side wheel, now astral projection. I was shocked. I thought all this meditation stuff was fake. Truly, I practiced meditation to see if the afterlife was real. Within 2 months of practicing, I was looking into the spirit world. After that, I told myself I would finish these studies and find the truth about God now that I was given the chance to awaken. If you have any questions about my journey, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.